Hello guys, now I am showing how to power off and power on mi band 5. Okay, mi band have has no power on or off button. You just click on this, it can on, or shake it, it can on or off. Okay, wait, it will off automatically. Now click on this, see this guys, and wait, click. Okay guys, this is the way to on or off the mi band 5. Okay, and if you buy this product newly, and the product come like switch off in the box, we need to plug this product on charging firstly. Okay friends, thank you, don't forget to subscribe.